guys, so time right now is 5 p.m. So I'm gonna go for dinner to a vegetarian restaurant that also sells vegan ramen, and from there I'm gonna continue to the night market. Okay, let's go. It's a bit raining, but luckily I brought an umbrella. It was raining really hard before. Go. Wow, that's pretty. Okay guys, I'm here for the second time. It's over there open this time. It's 5:40. Okay, so they do have a menu, but it's all in Chinese. Let's see how I'm gonna translate it. Okay, so the worker there helped me translate some. So she said they have soy milk ramen, they have spicy, they have kimchi, they have tomato. And they also have a pomelo with a bit of pepper, and she said this one is the best, so she recommended this one. So I'm taking this one. Oh, they also have sesame ramen. And they only have one vegan dessert, which is the lemon cake. And all of these cost 350. Again, not that expensive. You can take utilities from here. Okay, so I just got my ramen soup. I didn't thought it's gonna be that big. That is crazy huge. I just absorb real quick what we have here. It's soy milk. I think those are fried mushroom maybe. We have carrots, we have tofu, zucchini, corn, and I'm not sure what those is, but let's try. It's sweet. Didn't expect it to be sweet. It is a bit better, but it's nice. Let's try the old one. Just gonna hold like this because I probably won't manage to hold it with a chopstick. Crunchy. But it's gonna be salty or taste like sweet, but it's none of them. It's actually sweet. Oh wow, that's good. I really like forest mushroom. Almost every dish I got some forest mushroom. Okay, so there was some season inside, some paste here, and she said I should mix it like that. It's all come together. So let's give it just like that. After separating them, I do see they're like a tiny fried mushroom. See? I think kimchi mushroom. Okay, let's try this. It's huge. Tastes like a cold lemony and coconut ice cream. It's nice. I'm gonna give it a 4. The taste kind of grew on me. Okay, that's as much as I managed to eat before I explode. Okay guys, so time right now is almost 7 p.m. and I'm heading to the night market. Funny, this night market is kind of on the main road. So far I just see a lot of food stands. Hey, the doggy Betty. Oh, and the doggy. They also have clothes, not just food. So far this night market is quite weird. All of the stands are just standing on the road. Make it quite risky and very challenging to buy from. Okay. Completely different than what I know the night night market in Thailand to be. Also in Taipei, they're different. Usually when there is a night market, they close up the road so you can walk on the road without being afraid of cars and motorcycles. Here the stand on the side of the road, but there's still traffic going on. Interesting. Some of them are just lighting on. Okay, so that night market wasn't that interesting, so I think I'm gonna head back. So I came across this store, and they have like a kisses poncho from the rain. Oh, the dress is actually nice, and a lot of PJs. Oh, another kitty. I think it's the third kitty I see in Taiwan. Yes. Oh, this store of two doggies. So cute. Okay guys, so I just got back to the hotel and this is the bounty of the day. I have those dried fruit, dried waxberry, not sure what waxberry is, and those plum sheet. I also got 2 dog bandana for Lana and Hector. I didn't find much in the night market since it was mostly for food, and it's also not what I thought about night market. It was just on the road, no space to go as the cars and motorcycle driving by. And yeah, not the best experience of a night market. Taichung do have a few more big night market that I might try in the next 2 days, so we'll see. Yeah, I do hope to find more of unique stuff, you know, like an artist stand that make all kind of unique accessories. So far, I didn't even found one earring stand, and I really like earrings, so maybe I'll find in the next few days. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, rest, and if you watch until now, I wanna tell you thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.